Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just finished yoga for the morning, so I'm real hungry, so we're gonna make something real quick. Bake some cauliflower and then some hummus and maybe quinoa. So let's have at it. It's pretty easy. All we need is a couple cans of chickpeas. For the cauliflower, we'll just do it. So let's get started. We'll start by turning on the oven to the maximum heat and whatever other setting you need to turn it on to make the oven turn on. Next we'll grab our cauliflower out of the fridge, give it a good wash, and we'll see it back on the chopping board. Okay, so now we'll just split it in half. Bam! Cut. And we'll transfer it onto a baking sheet with parchment paper. So now we'll grab some coconut oil, our favorite. Oh, not really my favorite, but it's useful. And about a heaping teaspoon, and we'll just rub it into our hands just to heat it up and liquefy it. And we'll massage it on the cauliflower. Massage it in real good. Yeah, that's good enough. And we'll wash our hands and we'll add the seasoning. So first we'll add on some chipotle flakes, some smoked paprika, and some dried thyme. Also some salt. And we'll just go ahead and give that a good massage. We'll wash our hands and transfer it into the oven. So into the oven it goes. Well, there's no baking rack in there, so let's put a baking tray in and put the tray on top. Close it and we'll keep an eye on it. So guys, let's go ahead and make our chickpeas now. 2 cans of chickpeas. Everything I get pretty much is from Costco. So 2 cans of chickpeas. Tahini is from Amazon. Tahini. And we'll figure the rest out as we do it. The first step into making hummus is to strain and wash our chickpeas. So we've done that here. And we're going to transfer it into our blender. I'm using a NutriBullet here. You can use any blender you want. 2 cans of chickpeas seems to be too much for one NutriBullet container, so we'll transfer half of it into another one. And we'll just make 2 batches and mix it together, no big deal. Okay, after a quick wipe down, we'll start adding our ingredients. So first we'll add in tahini. Tahini is ground up sesame paste. You can buy it in a lot of stores, but I just got this one off Amazon. So I'm just going to pour in some tahini. It's about 2 tablespoons per container. And we'll give it another wipe down. And we'll add in some more stuff. What can we add? So, oh right, okay, let's add in some pickles. So we'll add 1 pickle per container, as well as some of the juice. Pickle juice is such a cool ingredient. It's a seasoned water basically, so it gives a lot of flavor to whatever you're adding. And we'll get some other stuff out of the fridge. So we get some miso, some mustard, some chilies, some garlic. And the miso we'll put on like half a fork in each, which is about maybe a teaspoon in total. We'll go ahead and crush a clove of garlic for each of them, and about a teaspoon of mustard in each of the containers. So because of the mustard, the pickles, and the miso, you won't need to add any other salt because those are already seasoned. And we'll, of course, add some chilies to it. You can leave the chilies out, totally up to you. But me and my wife both like hot stuff. And I found a lime on the counter. We'll just add half a lime to the containers. Next is we'll drizzle in a bunch of olive oil. So in total, it's about 1/4 of a cup, I would say, for both containers in total. So we'll just pop the blender top on and give it a blend. So what we're checking for is we want to check how smoothly it blends. If the blender is having a hard time, then just take it out and add some water. And it's on super tight, so we'll just use a towel to take off the lid and add in some water. Glug, 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 glug. And we'll give that a blend. Okay, so we're going to take it out. And you can see it's a smooth consistency. So we'll start blending the other one. So try not to waste any of it. There's a lot that gets stuck to the sides of the blender. And it's all good. Give it a quick taste for seasoning. And it's good to go. Okay, our other one is ready, and we'll mix that in. So the consistency, it looks like a thick sauce that's creamy and smooth. Finally, crack in some pepper. Add some cumin on top, some ground cumin. You don't have to add the cumin, but it gives it a nice depth. And add in some more olive oil. Give it a nice little mix. And there it is. There's our hummus. Okay, let's check out cauliflower. And it's looking good. So the outsides are nice and crispy, the insides are soft, and it looks like it's ready to come up. It's gonna go ahead and snag a piece. Oh yeah, it's done. Hi everyone, so we're finally done everything. We cleaned up a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and eat now because I'm super hungry. Bye bye. Oh, hold on. Let me show you how this cauliflower works. This is how it looks on the other side. So you just basically pick it like that. And you dip like so. It's good because cooking at the high temperature, it makes it a little crusty outside, but the inside gets steamed from its own like water. So the inside's soft, but not too soft, you know, just soft enough. But yeah, hope you liked it, and see you next time.